What's going on, everyone? This is Ben from Ben Daily Tips. In today's video, we are going to add or remove a new language on Windows 11. First, go to your Start menu on Windows 11. Select Settings. Here on the left side, select Time and Language. And here you should select Language and Region. As you can see, we have a blue button, Add Language. Select that. Now you can search for your language. I'm gonna search for English, for example Canada. Going to click on Next button, and here you can check or uncheck these options. I'm gonna do that and click on Install. It could take a few minutes. If you go to your taskbar and select your keyboard layout, as you can see, English Canada is added here. You can select and use that. If you want to remove this new language, go to your Start menu, search for language. This is another way. And going to language, and here you can find English language for Canada. Now here, click on this three-dot menu and click on remove and select yes. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you like and subscribe.